If you are over 60 and do not know the 3 things orthopedic surgeons avoid, you might be walking straight into years of joint pain you could have reduced. Many surgeons quietly refuse to do these things with their own knees and hips because they know the long-term damage they may cause. By the end of this video, you will know the 3 specific things many orthopedic surgeons do not do with their own joints and what they often choose instead. You will learn simple changes you can start in the next 7 days that may help your knees, hips, and back feel more stable and less stiff. If getting out of a chair now takes you 5 extra seconds compared to a few years ago, that slow change might be a warning sign you are ignoring. Many people over 60 think it is just age, while they keep climbing stairs, lifting groceries, and walking on hard floors in ways that quietly grind down cartilage. One of the biggest problems surgeons see is people over 60 forcing their joints through high-impact activities that their younger self could handle easily. Things like sudden sprinting at the park, deep squats with heavy weights, or pounding downhill walks on concrete may look like good exercise but can overload worn cartilage and fragile meniscus tissue. Here is where it gets really important. Many orthopedic surgeons never ignore joint swelling that lasts more than a few days. If your knee or ankle keeps puffing up after walking or gardening and you just ice it and push through, you might be allowing small tears or inflammation to get worse week after week. Many orthopedic surgeons build their days around joint-friendly movement instead of long hours of sitting followed by sudden hard exercise. They often choose 10 to 15-minute walks on softer surfaces, gentle strengthening, and controlled balance work rather than one intense workout that shocks the joints. Quick question for you: which joint bothers you the most right now, knees, hips, or lower back? Type it in the comments, because it helps guide which topics to cover in more detail for you. Many people discover that simply paying attention to where the pain starts first each day gives a big clue about which habit is hurting them. Up next, we dive into never wear bad shoes. Most people over 60 never realize how much damage worn-out shoes on hard floors can do in just a few years. Many orthopedic surgeons are extremely picky about footwear and will not wear flat, unsupportive shoes all day on tile, concrete, or hardwood because they know the extra stress it sends into the knees and hips. Here's the part that makes all the difference. Many orthopedic surgeons avoid long hours of soft couch sitting with poor posture, especially after joint surgery. Sinking into low, deep chairs makes it harder for knees and hips to stand up, and over months it can weaken the very muscles that protect your joints. Orthopedic surgeons see people who waited 3, 5, even 10 years after their joints started severely limiting walking, and they know recovery can be harder when muscles have already shrunk. Many will quietly tell their own family members not to wait until they can hardly walk a block before discussing options, because weaker muscles can mean tougher rehab. If you are over 60, skipping gentle strength work, ignoring daily pain over a 4 to 6 week period, and relying only on pain pills are 3 common mistakes that may push you closer to the operating room. Many orthopedic surgeons try not to rely on medication alone. They do not shrug off pain that keeps returning, and they do not go months without targeted leg and core exercises.